Hello friends, it's again been a long time we posting a video, but now as we are here we'll be talking about Mongpong and Kurseong. These are the two tourist destinations which you can easily visit from Siliguri. Maybe you are at a halt in Siliguri for a day. These are the two destinations which you can complete visiting and come back to your hotel in a single day. Isn't it amazing to know that such a one-day trip destination exists so near to Siliguri? Mongpong is considered to be a doorway to the doors. It's quite near to Savok. People usually plan a trip to Sevok, Mongpong and Kurseong for a single day. In the morning around 9 am, individuals start their journey, reach Sevok, worship Lord Kali in the famous Sevok Kali Mandir and have breakfast like momos with tea or coffee and then move forward for visiting Mongpong. Mongpong is our today's second destination just after Sevok. Kalichora is also a very beautiful place to visit. It's very close to Mongpong. You can visit that too while going to Mongpong. The beautiful mountains surrounding the tea gardens are a breathtaking view to be witnessed whenever visiting Mongpong. And how can we forget about River Tista? Along with Tista, you get to see many more rivers because Mongpong is in the Duars region and Duars is home to a number of beautiful rivers. You can choose to come to Mongpong either via Sevok or Odlabari. The choice is yours. It's better to book a car for a day because these three are not in the same route. You can definitely instruct your driver in the very way you want for a single day. Isn't it wonderful? You can stop by anywhere you want to feel the nature. If you are visiting Mongpong in winter, you'll be able to see numerous birds and the trip would turn out to be awesome for you, especially if you're a bird lover. There is nothing much to visiting Mongpong. There you just go to witness the beauty of the mother nature. To know more where to have lunch in Mongpong, you can connect us in this above mentioned contact number so that we can assist you to the fullest when you will be in Mongpong. If you want to stay, we can arrange you a stay, and if you just want to have your lunch and go ahead to Kurseong, we can do that for you too. Please remember, we are just a call away from you, so feel absolutely free to reach us out anytime regarding any queries you want to know, you want to ask us about. Mongpong is just around 30 to 35 kilometers from Siliguri. If you want, you can drive and go to the spot as well, but usually people go for chilling, so either they book a car or a driver for the day. Soon after reaching Mongpong, you may have your lunch because the scenario is the only thing to enjoy while going to and coming from Mongpong. After having your lunch, you may choose to halt for an hour, click lovely images. As you know well, people love exposing their Sundays, and if it's a Sunday for you, then you are quite lucky for it too. From Mongpong to Kurseong due to traffic, it will take you around 3 hours to reach Kurseong. You may choose to reach Kurseong through Gajoldoba as well without entering Sevok again because it would be quite monotonous for you and your friends or family members. In Gajoldoba, you will be able to see the beautiful Tista barrage and fish fries are the attraction of the space. Trust us. You won't be able to resist yourself from eating those. You may pack those with you as well, but as they serve it hot, it's better to sit for around 30 minutes or so and have the special delicacies over there itself, enjoying the river view. It might be slight evening for you to reach Kurseong if you have halted over Gajoldoba for the view and the fish fries, but reaching the mountains in the evening of course to have an aura of its own as the view from the window side which you will be seeing is nothing which can be compared of. After reaching Kurseong, the best momos are palatable only in Kurseong Tourist Lodge. So if you wish to have momos once again, you definitely can sit over there and have a nice treat. Other delicacies are also available in the space. You can try as much as you can because you might be craving for some snacks in the evening, right? Besides Kurseong Tourist Lodge, there is a beautiful church. There you can visit too, and it depends upon your luck because the timings we are not sure about and it might remain open, it might not. It depends on your luck. Soon after visiting Mother Mary and Jesus Christ, you have to decide you want to stay for a night in Kurseong or not. If you want to return, you start back your journey again by 8 pm, and if not, Kurseong Tourist Lodge is an option for you to stay. There are several hotels too, but this one's definitely amazing. To know more about the hotels in Kurseong, do connect us in this contact number so that we can assist you, which we would love to. Thanks for watching so long. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye guys, and we'll be missing you a lot.